Hi all, welcome to Super Coders. So in this tutorial, I am gonna do some code fixes in our Django project. So basically it is some enhancement and some fixes we have to do in our code. So let's get started and let's do all these things. Our user table, come into the model, and here in the user, I have choices of the users. I'm gonna add one more user type, which is super admin. Super admin. Now save this API. Now what I can do, I'm just creating one more middleware. So what I can do in the project, commerce inventory, I'm creating a folder, middleware, middleware, and inside that I'm creating a super admin, or you can say just permission middleware dot py. And inside that I'm just creating the class is super admin, adding base permission, and after that define as underscore permission self request view if as attribute request dot user role and request dot user dot role equal to super admin, then return true, else return false. Then after that we have to handle the message define underscore call underscore self request if not self dot has permission request none, return render response data. You are not authorized to access this page message. Let's import this render response. It will be and also correct import this, so it should be, or just directly it in the message 401. For that return none, save it. Let's register this middleware. So for this, come to our, also import the base permission. So from rest framework dot permission import base permission. So actually it is not a middleware, it is a permission file. So just copy this file and paste in our project and remove this one, this also. It is not actually a middleware, it is a permission file. So rename it permission.py. Now after that, what I can do, I just want to check it is working or not. So I'm gonna come to the database and changing my username admin to super admin. Role super admin. Now after that, what I can do, I can simply check it's working or not. So what I can do, I just come to my user service, then controller, dynamic form controller or auth controller. Here in the public API protected API, I'm just creating one more API. Super admin check API. Here is JW authentication is authenticated, and we need a super admin. Is super admin. Is super admin. Let's check what is the name. Is super admin. Let's import this also. So it is coming from the commerce inventory. Then permission. So that this is super admin API. Save it and let's check it's working or not. So first again register the URL super admin URL. Just copy it, paste it. Super admin check API. Save it. Just try to hit the URL directly. So if I try to hit the URL again directly, duplicate tab, directly hitting the API. Other user path super admin URL. I think it is inside the. I think it is at this path. Let me check again. Super admin URL. Yeah, and here we go. It is saying user not authenticated. And if I try to use the login API token, like I'm getting this token, login, get the token, duplicate this tab, duplicate this tab, super admin URL, header, authorization, authorization, bearer, copy the token again, copy it, login, pass the token, send it, and you can see you don't have permission to perform this action. I'm getting the error. Let's save this in our e-commerce inventory. Super admin API. So I creating the super admin API for creating some things in our control, like creating the modules. This can be only done by the super admin. Modules can only be created by super admin. Other can't create. That's why I created the super admin concept also. If I click on send again, it is not working. Now what happens if I try to log in with the exact admin? So our admin is the user. Let's see. Admin, copy it, paste it, send it. Let's copy this token and try to use this token. Now super admin API. The error, paste it, send it, and here we go. It's working, but it's showing method not allowed. Try to use get method. Perfect. So our super admin API is also working now. Now we can use this super admin API this way. Super admin API concept in our future tutorial to create our modules and use that module to create a sidebar. Also here, if you see, if I pass the wrong token, earlier I passed the wrong token. I just noticed one more thing. If I pass the user token, I pass it, the error. Here again it is showing me custom message. You don't have permission to perform this action. Back to VS Code and coming to this permission. You are not authorized to access this page. So here what I can do, I need to customize this message again. So again coming to our custom error handler. So custom exception handler has done render response then data equal to string type exception status 400, just for checking and getting the exact class of this error. So if I click on send, okay, one parameter is missing, add the message, save it, send it, send it. This time it is the permission denied class. So what I can do, again, all these things, and here I leave is instance permission denied. You don't have permission to access this page. Message permission denied. Let's import this also. Copy it, paste it, save it. That is also gonna work, I think. And here we go. It is working, but I think I'm not getting the proper message. What I can do, don't have permission to access this page. Send it, and here we go. This is working perfect. Permission denied, and you don't have permission. So that is gonna work. So in this tutorial, I cover how you can create a custom exception handler and handle all the errors. I create a custom method for render response to render all the response in a one proper way, one proper common way. Then I try to create a permission for our super admin, because we are going to use the super admin concept to create some modules that is only can be handled by our super admin. After that, I show you how you can pass the domain user ID. So I fix that also. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and please subscribe our channel. And if any question, please do comment.